Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here. I'm sure you can tell from my voice I am sick, which is why this video is a little bit late. But if I don't do it now, I don't think I'm going to get to it. And as you can see, my mirror is behind me. Some things are in flux in this room. It just is what it is. But let's go ahead and get tucked into these empties, because I've used up a good bit of stuff this month. The first thing was a Lush bath bomb. I don't know what the name of it was, but it smelled amazing. It made the water like really dark, almost black, and it was really nice. The next item is from Shikai. It's the moisturizing shower gel, and this is in the fragrance pomegranate. Me and Austin really liked the scent a lot. They did not have the scent in the selection at my local mom's, which is like an organic grocery store. So I'll have to check online and find this because we both really liked the smell. I finished the Andalou Naturals Botanical Shave Cream, and this was okay. I don't know that it really did anything above and beyond what you might get from using a soap or a conditioner or anything else lubricating on your legs. So I wouldn't repurchase this. And to follow that up, this is the Bars Over Bottles, the B.O.B. shampoo bar in Detox. I'm actually just using this on my legs as shave cream. I'm just lubing my legs up with this because I have so many solid shampoo bars right now because they just kept coming in boxes month after month, and there's no way I'm going to use them all in the capacity in which they're meant to be used. So right now I'm using this, and I actually really like it in that capacity. Next, we have the LOV butter in tangerine. It's the body butter. It smelled amazing, but this is just too goopy and moisturizing. It's hard to spread. It does smell really good, but it's just kind of a pain in the butt to use. Now that said, the flip side of it is that it does leave your skin super moisturized, but it's just not worth it to me because it's annoying to use. And especially with this being a heavy glass bottle, the second your hands start to get slick from using it, it becomes kind of a hazard. So I wouldn't repurchase this, but it was alright to use. And now my hands are all slick just from touching it. I finished up a little travel toothpaste. This is Sensodyne. I don't buy this. My dentist gives me these for free after cleanings. And yeah, I throw it in with my travel stuff. I also finished the Grace and Stella face mask. It's a Dead Sea mud mask, and this was really nice. I appreciate that it dried down quickly. I don't love spending forever and a day on a face mask, and I do think my skin looked nice after washing it off and doing my skincare, so this was a nice one. I finished from French Girl the charcoal face wash. And while this was a nice enough face wash, I don't like that it separated and I had to keep shaking it up every time I wanted to go use it. I also don't like that it is in a glass container with just a huge open spout instead of like a pump or something, because this made it so that so much product would fall out into my hand, especially because it's a weightier product because it's got that charcoal in it. It was really hard to control distribution, so for the form factor alone, I wouldn't repurchase this, but it was an okay face wash. I finished up the Aura Cadia, I guess that's how it said, Aura Cassia? I don't know how to say this brand name. Anyway, it's just a lavender essential oil. I was using this on my wrists before bed every night, and it's just a nice calming little oil. I would definitely repurchase this. I think I got this on Vitacost or something. I finished the Earth Harbor Obscura Detoxifying Reset Ampule with black seaweed and bakuchiol. And I think this is actually a really nice product. It's probably my favorite Earth Harbor product. I do think a lot of them have unnecessarily fragrant ingredients in the formulations, but I think this one's really good. I don't know if I'm going to immediately run to repurchase it. I've kind of thrown something else in its place in the step in which I was using it, but I do think this is really good and I would use it again, 100%. Now this is an item I didn't actually use up. This is the Suntegrity Natural Mineral Body Sunscreen. SPF 30. I went to use this and I pulled the little tab, the little metal seal thing off, and it just stinks. This smells really bad. Yeah, I think this has gone off, so I'm just gonna toss it, which is weird 'cause it was basically unopened, brand new, so it hadn't been tainted with any oxygen or whatever, but yeah, this is going in the trash. Next, and you've seen this before in my empties, is the Evio Skin eye patches. I think these are great eye patches. I've got a ton of them because a million of them came in my boxes all at once, and I will continue to use them because they are quite good eye patches, and I am not getting a lot of sleep lately. Also a 100% pure set of eye patches. I used up. These are good too. I have two fragrances I used up. The first is the Clean Reserve, and this is in the Skin Reserve blend. Now this smells really good upon initial spray, but this just disappears on me and I can't smell it after an hour or so on my skin, so I wouldn't buy this one. I think it's probably just a personal body chemistry thing. And then I also have the Clean Reserve Radiant Nectar. I've gone through a roller ball of this before too, and I really like this. I probably will buy a small container of this. Just a couple more items. This is the Tower 28 SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I used this as a travel toner and I do really like it in that capacity, so I'm probably going to buy a few more of these travel size ones, and I need to hurry up and get on that because I leave for Vegas in a couple of weeks, so I need to make a Sephora order soon. The last thing in my basket here, but then I have one other thing I want to talk about, is the Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream. And I do think this is a very good face cream. I really do. I used it at night. It's thick, it's luscious, it feels good on the skin. But I don't know if it's worth the price tag it comes at. It is so expensive. And I mean, I know part of that is you're paying for the packaging, because like the packaging is great and it keeps the product airtight, and I do love that, but I don't know. I'm gonna go a while without using it and see if I really miss it, because I have some other things that I just acquired that didn't really seek them out that can function as night creams that I'm going to be using up, and while I'm using those I'll have to reflect on if this is something I miss, and that'll determine if I end up repurchasing it. But I do think it is an excellent face cream. It is really good. It's just really expensive. And then the next item, this actually wasn't in my empties bin, but this lives here on my desk and I have been using the crap out of it, and it'll probably be gone by the end of the day, to be completely honest. So I'm just going to mention it in this video. This is the All Good Lavender Hand Sanitizer, and it's a spray. I've been using this since blowing my nose like every 5 minutes, because I don't like touching my computer after blowing my nose. It's just yucky. So I've been using a lot of hand sanitizer. This one's really, really nice. I actually do really like this hand sanitizer. The lavender smell is super pleasant. It's not sticky. It dries down fast, but not too fast, so I could spray it on my hand and, you know, rub them together. But I like this one a lot. Am I going to repurchase it? I have no idea. I have literally no loyalty to any hand sanitizer. We have so many of them around this house that I highly doubt I'll end up getting back to this one, but it is very good. And those are all my September empties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I will talk to you all later. Bye!